So there's a
It's supposed to
specific
memorize.
direction.
Yeah, see, it's figuring out where the mouth is.
Oh, it's automatic.
So
They're gonna go
confirmed.
back to the duck. Oh, that's awesome. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen again, and it's Michelle Lemon. But today I won't gonna cook, hindi ako magluluto. If you could see that I have a box in my counter, in my table. Ayan. And I guess I have ideas. What is it there inside? I'm so shocked lang because my husband ordered this at Amazon. And I surprised kasi hindi ko alam na bibili siya. But this is help for me sa bahay. And siguro na ano na siya na annoyed siya sa akin na I always complain about our floor. So, let's do join with you guys to open this box. Uy, eto siya. Uy, ayan. May manual siya. Okay. Uy, may ano to? Controller or we will see on yun. And eto siya. May controller siya. May controller. I think this one is a charger. May charger siya. Ayan, i-open natin natin. And then, mamaya, i-assemble siya ng husband ko. Ayan, tapos eto, ewan ko, parang magnet siya. Pero, I will see what is this one. Eto, this is good. I have ideas already. Ay talagang may ideas kung ano to. Kasi na, sinabi na ng husband ko sa akin, kailangan ko ng stool, guys. Kasi ang ano, uy. So, ito siya. It's a sharp iron robot. Ayan. So, ano siya? Pangpalinis siya sa sahig. Ayan. Parang robot iron. Or iron robot. But I don't know how to do this. Ano to? Ganyan ba yan? Uy. Ang galing. So, ganun siya. Suppose that clean. Ito naman, I don't know what is this. Ito yung, parang siyang vacuum. Na siya na lang hindi ko alam. And then, this one, kung paano to, how to use. And then, i-charge muna natin. Ayan, may roida siya. And then, ito siya, yung sahig. Ang mag-ikot. Ang magwawalis sa floor. Ayan, there you go. And yes, so we're gonna attach. It's just like a cleaner also, right?
Yeah.
Like a brush.
Yeah, it kind of like spins.
Yeah. So, she's gonna attach, and then the other one on the other side. Then we're going to charge right first. Okay, what is this again?
These are the boundary strips. You kind of like place these down where you don't want your robot to go.
Okay.
That's it.
It's just like a stopper?
Yeah, like the robot bumps into it. It's like, oh no, I'm not supposed to go there.
Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah. So we're gonna charge. It's the charging station. So of the iron robot. And then before we're gonna charge, we're going to turn on first. That's the on button and off button. And now it's on, and then it's ready to charge. So then we're gonna wait if it's gonna be full, and then we're going to try to use. There you go.
This is
Yeah, this is a remote control of the iron robot.
It has navigation buttons, docking mode,
Mm-hmm.
and cleaning mode.
Mm-hmm. This is a timer. It's look like a clock.
It's to set the day and time.
Okay, and this is one.
Cleaning schedule.
Ooh, that's very cool.
Okay, so the docking is for like if let's say the robot's roaming around and you want to go back to its charging station, you press dock and then it'll try and find the
This one, okay. Ah, that's cool, huh? And then we're gonna wait. Then we could use this later. And this one, the robot.
I mean, I'd say you don't have to if the no, you put it on the floor, but I'd say you don't have to if the robot can't fit under there anyways. But if it can and gets stuck, then you might need to.
Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. So you want gonna move or what? Just stay there?
Like